Very crispy.
I like it.
Good though. I mean,
So crispy.
Order a Kourtney.
Order in the Kourtney. Welcome to Poosh Palette. Today Sam is going to show me how to make crispy rice with avocado, which is my favorite dish to order when I go out for sushi since I don't eat fish anymore and I don't eat meat. I'm so excited.
yeah, I know. So you work with the rice when it's warm.
Okay.
Over here, we have the avocado mash, and then we made this vegan mayo with some sriracha, and then we can top it with crushed pepper.
And then what is
And then
this?
we have this for the mashed avocado. I learned this trick when I was a kid, but if you put the avocado seeds in a bowl or a cup of water nearby whatever avocado you have out, it won't brown. It's a trick. It's gonna change your life.
That's the weirdest thing I've ever heard.
Salads, whatever it is, it just doesn't
That's
brown. This
so
has been out for
weird.
like an hour. Court, have you ever fried rice before?
I've never.
Hey, me neither.
You haven't?
Nope.
Okay, I'm scared to be near
It's the
it.
first time for everything. But one thing I do know is that like the oil has to be very, very, very hot, and it takes a while to heat up. And I think you basically just want to do this until they're like golden brown. Okay, so now we can dollop of the avocado on each one, and you guys can see how the avocado is still green.
It's so crazy. Okay, now
Let's
this.
do that, yeah.
Like that. Like a little bit.
A little more.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Mmm. Oh my god, mine's about to fall apart. Oh my god. It's really good though. My kids would love this.
The avocado is really good, so is the sriracha. Everything's good. The rice is just a little crispy.
Yeah.
Actually, try that one, because that's the first one we did. I'm curious. Less crispy on the inside.
It's better.
Yeah. So the oil has to be hotter. We took it off the,
And it looks better.
yeah, and it looks better. If you guys end up making this, definitely post it and tag Poosh. You've had like 4. You obviously liked it. Success?
I can't even talk.
Successful surprise?